Hello everyone. So here is how your exam is going to look like. You're going to have a text and you'll have a few words that are either highlighted in bold or underlined. Then you can just go straight to the questions. 4 points. Account for the value of the stressed vowels in the following words, in the words in bold. So let's go back to the bold. Okay, so we've got birds, artists, come, sculptural. Okay. Birds, artists, come, sculptural. We've got combined, tattered, mud. Combined, tattered, mud, broken, hoped, amazing, draped. Okay, so that's a lot. Okay, so let's group them together. So you've got the checked ones. Checked. You've got mud. So this one is final. And then it's got a final consonant. Tattered. Okay, so 2 consonants. Okay, so that's it for the checked vowels. For the free ones, we've got amaze and plus ing. Okay, you've got come, which is an exception, and you've got drape, which is not an exception, it's fine. And then you've got are modified, checked vowels, like artists, birds. That's it. Okay, so let's go. I'll just do it orally. So in the words mud and tattered, the stressed vowel is free, is checked, sorry, because they are followed by a final consonant and 2 consonants respectively. Hence, mud is un chevron, so you have the just here, and for tattered you'll have tattered. Okay, next ones. So in the words amazing, come, and draped, the vowel is free because it's followed by 1 consonant plus a mute E, and they should normally be free and pronounced A, O, and A again. But come is an exception and it's pronounced like a checked vowel. So you've got hence, may, amazing, but you've got come, which is an exception, and draped, A again. Okay, are modified. Okay, so we've got in the words artists and birds, the stressed vowel is followed by an R and another consonant. It is therefore an R modified checked vowel in each of these words. Hence, artists, le gros O, artists, gonna have to find it. Let me try and find it. Voilà. Oh, plus this, and the other one is bird. So you've got 3, which is the other side. Where is the bird? Trying to find it. Yep, here. And here you click. And that's it. R and artists and bird. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here is the next little question. So, okay, so you've got this weird name here, which is the name of an artist, Alex Farquharson. And the following stress pattern is 100, so Farquharson. So can you guess the pronunciation of the vowel carrying the primary stress? And you just give it to me. R, it's R plus R. Sorry. Because it's an R modified checked vowel. Why? Because it's the vowel, a stressed vowel is followed by an R plus a consonant, in this case Q. Okay, now in the next one, account for the stress pattern of the highlighted words. Please group the words with similar patterns. Okay, highlighted words. So we've got installation, fragility, celebrated. Okay, installation. Well, let's just group that up there. Put that there. Okay, so we've got installation, fragility. We've got facade. We've got fantastically. And we've got quadraphonic, ambitious. Quadraphonic, ambitious, and celebrated. Okay. Fantastically. Okay, so we've got a neutral suffix here, so we're going to put it in grey. We've got ickle, which is a strong suffix, so let's put it in green. Facade. This one is stress on the syllable, the suffix itself. We've got itty, green. Oopsie. Green. There we go. No, just want that part. Yep. Installation. Yes, ION, which is the same kind of category. Stress is just before. Extended ION here. Yippee. Ick again. Up, and we've got another one which is 8. So this one is 2 syllables before. So let's just change the colour. Change the colour, maybe this one, yellow. Let me try again. Oops. Yellow. Okay, so we've got 3 types. A lot of them are. And then what about secondary stress? Installation. So, so you've got 2 zeros there, so you need to put a secondary stress here. So we're going to put a little 2 here, not to forget. Fragility, no. This is the stressed vowel. Facade, this is the stressed vowel. Up. Fantastically stressed vowel. Quadraphonic. Okay, qua is going to be quadraphonic. It's going to be that, not the primary stress, but the secondary stress. Phonic. Ambitious. Okay, and then celebrated. Celebrated. Donc 2 avant. Now installation. Fragility. So this is G. Tastically. This is the up. So here's the beginning of the syllable, tastically, fragility, installation. Let me check the Installation. Yes, so let's just keep these. Installation, okay. Ambitious. Let's try that one as well. Just is it am or is it amber? Or is it be vicious? Okay, it's am and then vicious, ambitious. Okay, bit. Ambitious, so this is the whole stressed syllable, and celebrated. Okay, so let's try. So you've got the first category of suffixes, which is the just before. First category, it's just before, and you've got installation, itty, those in green. Okay, in green. Second category, we've got the those two syllables before, so celebrated, and the neutral suffix would be ed here. So let's try and make it grey. That's it. B. Okay. Celebrated, and then the third category, stress on the suffix itself. It's facade. Okay, and then for the first category, you've got a point which will be allotted if you take into account the secondary stress. So you can say for installation and quadrophonic, need secondary stress is needed because there cannot be two unstressed syllables at the beginning of a word. Here we go. So this one is two syllables. Stress is on two syllables before the suffix, and this one is stress is on the suffix itself. Well done. So now what we've got to do is do the compounds. Okay, so identify the form of the following compound. Kindergarten, so these ones are, you've got a closed compound, you've got a open compound, and then hyphenated. Okay. Now let's look at these in context. So you've got an art correspondent. Is it a compound or a noun, or is it an adjective? So here it's an art correspondent, so it's a noun. Christmas lights, well, noun again. You can say the Christmas lights. It's a large scale sculptural, okay, it's adjective. And if it's an adjective, look here, you've got to say, is it a subject complement, attribut, or is it an epithet? Here it's an epithet, so attributive. You can call it at here. SC for subject complement, at for attributive. Okay. Ill-fated. Okay, so this one is adjective, as an adjective as well, but it's a subject complement. And let's put this stress. It's art correspondent. Art correspondent. Correspondent. Oopsie. Here we go. Okay. Christmas lights. Okay, Christmas lights. Christmas lights.